Now student, we are going to discuss question number 7.3, and in this question it is given to you a child sit stationary at one end of a long trolley moving uniformly with a speed v on a smooth horizontal floor. Clear? So now let's suppose I am saying here we have, let's suppose this is a trolley. Clear? And a child sits stationary at one end. So let's suppose here we have a child. Clear? Let's suppose this is a child. Clear? And this child sits stationary at one end of long trolley. Okay, moving uniformly with speed v. So let's suppose this trolley is moving uniformly. Clear? And it is also given to you on a smooth horizontal floor. It means we can say here we have, this is smooth horizontal floor. Smooth horizontal floor. Fine. Now it is given if child gets up and run about on the trolley in any manner. Let's suppose this child run from this point to this point. Clear? Let's suppose this child comes here. Clear? So now we have to find what is speed of center of mass of a trolley plus child as a system. Clear? So we can say, let's suppose this is child, let's suppose this is trolley, and if we are taking child and the trolley as a system. Clear? Listen carefully. Here we have a smooth horizontal surface, so there is no friction acting here. Clear? If child move from this side to this side, at that time we can say definitely child will exert a force on this trolley. Clear? At the same time trolley will also exert a force on this child. That's why this child can move in the left direction. Clear? It means we can say if we consider both as a system, we can say all the forces that is acting, that is internal forces, and there is no any external force is acting in horizontal direction. Clear? So we can say external force here we have 0 Newton. So we can say here net acceleration we are getting, that is 0 meter per second square. Clear? So we can say net acceleration is 0. So when we have net acceleration 0, we can say speed that remain constant. Clear to everyone? So now we can say that speed of this trolley, speed of trolley plus child system, that does not changes. Clear to everyone? And concept is only one, there is no external force acting in horizontal direction. Clear? So this is all about this question.